This is Kevin from EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Most vineyard netting failures don't come from bad net, they come from missing one of 4 decisions, and the system breaks somewhere else.
So today, I'll give you the 4-decision checklist that prevents expensive netting mistakes. Review this checklist before you buy anything. Define your threat map and priority stack. Start with what you're actually defending against, because netting can mean totally different specs. Birds can cause major losses close to harvest. Hail can destroy fruit and wound shoots, creating long-term health issues. Insects can drive virus spread. Fine mesh helps, but changes airflow. Heat, jot, UV can cause sunburn and quality loss, so optical properties matter. Frequency times severity equals your priority stack. Choose the installation system that matches operations. This is the biggest hidden decision. You're not choosing only net, you're choosing how your vineyard will run. Drape netting, low entry cost, but it can block tractor access, complicate spraying and pruning, and often requires more seasonal labor. Side zone netting protects the fruiting zone while keeping rows open. Better for mowing, spraying, and faster roll-up at harvest. Overhead systems, the Ferrari, highest protection and best workability. Match structure plus UV durability to your climate. 2 nets can look similar and fail very differently. Durability comes down to material size and UV stabilization. HDPE needs UV protection to avoid embrittlement from photo-oxidation. HALS helps stop degradation reactions in many colored nets, while carbon black is a strong UV absorber in black nets. And the durability indicator KLY helps translate sun exposure into expected lifetime. UV chemistry shows real lifespan. Plan the microclimate trade-off before it becomes a disease problem. Fine nets and tight installations can reduce airflow. That can raise humidity and increase fungal pressure if canopy management and ventilation aren't planned. Barrier wins only if ventilation still works. So that's the checklist: threat map, system, durability, microclimate. Want to learn more? Check out our website or contact us for more information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.